Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. This is our second video on MOE series. So, first step is how to download our protein from online source. For this, the best source is PDB protein database. Simply you write a PDB on search bar and open this. For this simple is you open a new tab, and in this you will search PDB codes for your enzyme. For example, my enzyme is alpha amylase, and I have searched PDB code for alpha amylase. Here are shown the code of PDB for alpha amylase. This is the code. I simply copy this, control C, copy it and paste this in search bar of PDB protein database. By this this is opened. This is the protein structure of alpha amylase. I simply uh, download file in PDB format. Okay, file is downloaded. Now open MOE file. Open. My file is saved in uh, this folder. This is my protein structure. I simply open it and okay, it will be opened after a few seconds. That is the protein structure of our enzyme. You can see this, and in this you will learn how to download protein from internet source. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, then leave it in comment box and press the bell icon.